Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for virtual assistants and remote services business. Easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the website. Now create a new site. And here enter your website type or your business type. So for example this. Now let's continue. Here enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's continue. Here set your default working hours, and here if you want to add some services. Here add your stuff, and let's move on. What else do you want to do with your business? Offer virtual assistants, accept online payments, so I'm gonna choose them all here. Now continue to dashboard. So here design your site. How would you like to design your website? If you want, let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Enter your information here, your name, your email, your address, and your phone. And here, if you want to add a social link, so let's move on. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage. So for example this. Now next. Here add pages to your site. And let's continue. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your homepage design. So now your site is ready. If you want to edit more your site, click here, go to the editor. Here is the settings of the website. Here if you want to add elements, so the first thing, the text section, the themes text. Here the size or the shape of the writing, the titles, also the same thing here, and the paragraphs. Let's move on to the image. If you're looking for something, here if you want to upload image or import image, so let's move on. The buttons, the themed buttons. Also here, if you want to edit the shape or the size of the buttons, text and icon buttons, image buttons, and documents buttons, and iTunes buttons. And here the payments buttons, the pay buttons, and the PayPal buttons. Strip. So the strip here, if you want to edit classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, testimonials, and team. And let's move on to the next, decorative. Here the shapes, the same lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, horizontal lines, and the vertical lines, the vector arch, the featured icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges, and the characters. Here is the video box, video mask, and transparent video. Next, here the box, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tapes. The gallery section here, if you're looking for recommended galleries, the pro galleries, the guide galleries, the slider galleries, and here if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on to the menus and the anchor. Here the themed menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Here is the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. And the last thing is the search, the site search. So let's move on to contact and forms. The contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, the application forms, the feedback and request, waiver, and subscribe forms. So here is the Google Maps, the maps, and the full width maps. The last thing here is the Wix chat and the line chat here. Let's move on to the video and the music section. Here, if you want to edit the video section, single video players, Wix video, video box, and video mask, transparent video. And here is the music section, the audio players, the Wix music and SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes player. Let's move on to the interactive section, slideshows, the full width slideshows, the box slideshows. Here is the light boxes. If you want to edit the light boxes, the boxes here, the over boxes and the tabs. Here the repeaters, the over repeaters, and let's move on to the list section, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. So let's move on to the embed code. Also here, if you want to custom popular embeds, here the video settings if you want to do a single video players, the audio section if you want to manage or edit SoundCloud player, Spotify player or iTunes player, and here advanced marketing tools and velodev mode and the animation. So let's move on to the social bar. The same thing here, the Facebook or the Twitter or the Pinterest or the VK or the line if you want to edit the social bar of Facebook or Twitter, or here the YouTube. So let's move on. The payments, if you want to edit your payment settings, the CMS here if you want to easily manage your site content, the blog, the store, the bookings, the events, and the community, and your designs, the last thing here. So this, if you want to add a section, click here, select any section here you want to add on your website. That's it. If you want to add page in the menu, click here. Here you can add some pages. So let's move on to site design. If you want to design your site, you can edit your color theme, the text theme, and the page background, the page transitions. So let's move on here. If you want to add apps, also here you can manage your business, you can upload your media, and here if you want to edit images and videos, if you want free Wix image or free Wix videos, same as here if you want to manage your site content. And here the last thing is marketing and SEO, Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO and social media marketing, and the marketing integrations. So that's it. So here if you want to design as you like your website, you can move it down, you can move it up. Here if you want to do a quick edit, here you can explore sections layout, and here if you want more actions, select any action here you want, and that's it. Now after you're done from editing your website, all you have to do is publish it. Click here and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.